What's up, Tower Rovers? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel of car enthusiasts. Before we get started, like the video if you enjoyed it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and press the bell notification icon so you don't miss any of my future uploads. Guys, this is the Mahindra XUV 3XO. We've already done a video about this. We've covered two variants, okay? So you can check those videos out over here. I thought I will bring you all a video especially for the infotainment system, guys. What features it has, what functions it has. We're going to explore each and everything in detail, okay? So stick to the end of the video so you don't miss out on anything, guys. Let's get started straight away, okay? So this is the 10.25-inch touchscreen, all right? This is how the layout is, guys. The layout looks very premium. What do you guys think? You can let me know your thoughts in the comments below. So in the home screen, what do you get? You get time, all right? You get your date over here. बहुत sensitive भी है, so that's pretty good. You get your phone, navigation, application, all right? And you get your radio, Android Auto, and music system over here. All right. Before you dive any further, let me show you one function. You get the option to control your air condition from the touchscreen itself. You do have the option to control it from here, okay? But you can also control it from the touchscreen, which will give you a little more premium feel, in my opinion, guys. Okay, touchscreen matlab touch system matlab premium. Okay, so if you want to experience a bit more premium feel, all right, you can explore the touch system of the climate control. You have your front defogger, you have your blower functions over here for your foot, over here for your foot and your face. Okay, so all those options are there. Dual zone climate control, of course, you get with this car. This is your off button over here. Let's close this, okay, and let's do a deep dive in the settings menu. All right, so this is what you get in terms of settings. Let me just dim it a bit so it's more clear. All right, so over here in quick settings, you get touch sound on and off. All right, clock system on and off, and your reset home layout, of course. So where you get general display, date and time, audio, phone, vehicle settings, user input and feedback, Wi-Fi, and EcoSense. In general, what do you get? You get your metric system and your imperial system. This is your UK and US. You can change it accordingly if you wish to. Factory reset and software update is also available over here. Going back, display में आप अगर हम देखें so you get your daylight brightness. This is your power and sleep function. Show clock when infotainment system powers off. If display is inactive for 60 seconds, show screensaver. And you can select your screensaver from here. This is your clock type, digital or analog. You can select which one you like. This is your home layout to reset everything. Brightness by. So over here, you can adjust your brightness. All right, let's keep it over here. And this is your night brightness when your headlamp is on. So abhi the headlight is off. We're going to switch it on. All right. And you can see the infotainment system has completely dimmed. Okay, so we're going to just switch on. We're just going to increase the brightness over here. All right, and we're going to switch off the headlamp. You don't want the battery to go down. So this is what it is in terms of display settings. Okay, date and time mein jaye, so you get your sync to GPS system, time zone. You can select. All right, if you're in a different country, you can select that time zone, and you can select the date and time manually as well. And going back, you get your audio function over here. This is your studio audio surround sounds setting, and this is your stage. So if you've selected stage, you know the sound will be somewhere in the middle of the vehicle, and if you've selected studio, the sound will be, you'll get a surround sound feel basically. All right, so this is what it is. This is your sound field position over here. You can change the position of the sound field. This is your equalizer setup. You can change your bass, mid, treble according to your liking, or you can select with one of the options available over here: flat, rock, pop, and jazz. All right, your SDVC, which is speed dependent volume control. The volume will depend on the speed that you are driving. And this is your volume settings over here for media: Alexa media, Android Auto media, Bluetooth media, music, apps and radio, ringtones, phone, notifications, voice recognition, Alexa. As you can see, this is your default audio settings. Okay, this is basic to reset it. All right, going back, you get your phone function over here: Bluetooth, enable Bluetooth, device list over here, add devices, BT discoverability, ringtones. Okay, you can select your ringtones. SMS settings bhi hai yahan pe. As you can see, SMS readout. When Alexa shall read out the SMS for you, configure auto relay options, enable SMS alert, configure SMS signature, send from my car. That means basically ye jo hai, when you send an SMS, this will be written at the end of the SMS. That is your SMS signature. Jo email signature hota hai, that is what it is. Okay, and that's about it, guys. Going back over here, we come to vehicle settings. You get your selective unlock and service mode. So upon activation, only the driver door will be unlocked when you unlock your car from your remote, and service mode upon activation disables the vehicle remote functions. Okay, so vehicle से remote से आप कुछ नहीं कर पाओगे. Alright, lights and illumination, DRL will be activated automatically for better visibility. Alright, we've come here back to user input and feedback. This is your screen touch feedback button sound. We just explored voice alerts. Okay, is over here. You get your Wi-Fi settings in this as well. You can enable Wi-Fi, connect to a Wi-Fi, and this is your EcoSense, guys, where you can see your location tracking, sync with app. You can, this car has connected car tab. Adrenox का function है इसमें, which you can connect it with. Okay, reset trip, location tracking. This is what you get over here. Okay, and this is pretty much it. This is your apps menu. You can add a folder, Alexa Media, climate control, connected apps, documents, download manager.
I can't find the song Media Climate Control.
That's okay. Okay, so volume बंद कर दे. And EcoSense, Gallery, Horoscope, Just Dial. आपको अपने horoscope भी देख सकते हो गाड़ी चलाते चलाते. Just Dial, My Drive Manager, My SUV Info, and News Update. My SUV Info में you get your vehicle name, color, PUC expiry date, last service date, engine capacity, fuel type, number of cylinders, your car's details are given over here, and this is your documents wallet, PUC, insurance, license, RC, which you can store over here. Okay, and what else is there in the apps menu? You get ticker tape, travel explorer, news update, weather update. Okay, and you also get a navigation which is inbuilt. Map my India का है इसमें, which I will get to. So this is what it is in terms of apps menu. Okay, going home, radio में you can toggle, all right, your deleted presets, no preset save. Stations you can toggle over here. This is the AM, this is the FM. Okay, you can set to favorites as well. You can select your stations from here also. Going back home, Android auto setup, you have to of course pair it with your Bluetooth. This is your music setup, which music is playing. Phone setup, I believe I've shown you already. Okay, and this is your navigation. Okay, so this is Mapple's Map My India navigation you get inbuilt in this, and once you set a location over here, you can also see it through your instrument cluster as well. If you want a video dedicated to the instrument cluster of the XUV 3XO, guys, do let me know in the comments below. And any other videos if you want related to this car, you can let me know that as well, and I'll do my best to bring it to you. Alright, if you do the dekh liya, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell notification icon so you don't miss any of my future uploads, guys. This is what it is in terms of navigation, guys. Okay, and this is basically over here profile जो आप देख रहे हो, ये guest profile में हम लोग, because of course we are guests. Okay, SOS, roadside assistance, ये बार बार चला जाता है. हाँ, valet mode is basically if you have given your car for valet, they won't be able to drive it after a certain speed limit, which is I think 15 kilometers per hour. And notifications, you can watch your video also in this infotainment system, Bluetooth, USB, My Drive, radio, Android Auto, iPod भी connect कर सकते हो. So various roadside assistance, SOS, various functions are available, guys. So this was my video of the infotainment system which is present in the AX5 variant of the Mahindra XUV 3XO, guys. Let me know if you like this video. Let me know if you found this video informative, and if anyone is interested in this vehicle, do share this video with them as well, guys. And thank you so much for joining me in this video, guys. I really appreciate your support. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, press the bell notification icon so you don't miss any of my future uploads, guys. I will see you in the next one. Leave your suggestions down below in the comments. Take care and stay safe, Turbo Rebels. Bye-bye.